So today agenda is like we have a precondition, which means like everybody should be in the successfully install Java, Maven, and IntelliJ. So because so if at all not done right, I told you this is the video. So please refer, and also we have some gaps in that you can find in that video comment. Okay. So if at all any access issues, just email me. I will immediately respond. Okay. So yeah, so we have installed a Java and Maven and IntelliJ, and we have written some kind of Java program as well in the last session. So today we are integrating like our in IntelliJ, right? IntelliJ and Playwright tool. So main our automation tool is Playwright. We are going to discuss. So what we need to do. So how to integrate a Playwright tool with our uh, IntelliJ, and how we are going to open your browsers automatically. Okay, so after opening the browser, we need to access any one of the site. So so that is the one thing. And next thing is like same right same code, which means like we will write some code to open the browser, and that should be a Chrome browser or something. So same code will be run. We are going to run in the a different kind of browsers like Firefox browser, okay, Safari browser, okay, and also like a MS Edge browsers. So then after we can jump on to like the Java side. So what is a Java method? Okay, and what are the Java constructor? So what are the data type and so methods? Okay, the type of method, type of variant methods, and also we'll learn just introduction about the constructor and type of variant constructor. So I'll take you to these two topics, Java methods and constructor. There is a one more session I'll take, but here my basic intention to explain like you should be in a able to understand, like able to recognize this. Okay, this is a method, this is a constructor, and how to the syntax of the method and syntax of the constructor. So those kind of thing I will explain. Okay, so because the basic most of the people, right? If we even though like having some written 100 programs, the people will does not able to recognizing the difference between the constructor and method. Okay, so there are kind of gaps. I'm going to slowly inject this kind of Java method and constructor basics. Okay. Yeah. So let's we can start the first step. So let me jump onto the session actually. Okay. Yeah. So everybody install IntelliJ, right? So this is the IntelliJ screen. Like whoever whoever new, right? Just to go to the file, and we need to create a project. Okay. So in the file menu, we have a new option, and here we can provide that project name. So it is a project name here. Okay, and we have to choose our build management tool as a Maven. Okay, whatever the like JDK. I think your case 1.8. Okay, so that should be shown, and here it is a Java project. So I'm creating a Java project. Okay, with Maven build management tool. Okay, so let's write the project name. 1 second. So test play rate is my project name, or play rate, yeah, test play rate. It is a project name, and click on create, right? So you can open a new window. Yeah. So this is a project which we created. Okay. So here there are two sections. Like this is a project area section, and it is a editor section. So where you can write the code. Okay. So that is the first thing, and we have many like it is a self-explanatory. So just if you have any doubts in that IntelliJ, right, you type in a Google. like IntelliJ tutorial. So you will take some kind of shortcuts, or what if you want to play with the shortcuts, you can do that. So by default, the Maven project is created. So whenever the Maven project is created, there is a pom.xml file automatically created. So this is a pom.xml file, so which play a major role in our automation. Okay, so what it does, and I will let you know one by one. So it is a not a, it is a bigger story. So every session I will introduce some section like part of the file. So this is a file actually look like in the XML format. So XML format is, so there is a kind of a node and a starting node, ending node, and there will be data here. Okay. So some kind of, so this section about a group ID, your package name, and it is artifact ID is a kind of project name which we gave in the creation time, and the snapshot is like the version of the projects. Okay. And there is a property section. We'll talk later. Okay. And next, so here, uh, in this section, right? So we are going to add multiple sections. So this is the basic structure of pom.xml file. So we want to integrate any tool to this project. Like it is an open source, right? So Playwright is open source. Selenium is a open source. So any open source activity we need to get that right. So we have a here dependency section. Okay, in the dependency section, we need to get the which dependency you are going to integrate. Suppose Playwright integration, right? So currently we are planning to do Playwright integration. So we can add here Playwright dependencies. So then this particular project we are able to write, or we can able to start writing our Playwright test scripts. Okay, if you want Selenium, you can do it. If you want any other binaries, you can do it as well. Okay, and moving on to, so where we will get this kind of binaries. Okay, so Playwright dev, uh, go to our main site Playwright dev. So this is a main site where we can get all the contents or tutorial. So here you can go documentation. Yeah, so here there is a installation section, right? Installation of Playwright section. So just refer it after my session. You will come to know. And most of the time I will refer because it is a self-explanatory, and also you can get more knowledge in the interview cracking and all those things. It will be here only. So there is a pom.xml file. So here also they give kind of integration step here, and you can see till now it is similar for us. So till now, yeah. So there is artifact ID, group ID, artifact ID, version, and playwright name and property. So this is the, I told you right. This is the section I have written. So dependencies. Okay. So we want this dependency. So what is the dependency? Dependency is written in that group ID. Okay. So this is the dependency and group ID. What is the group ID? Com.Microsoft Playwright, which means, so this particular Playwright tool is designed by this Microsoft. So they structured that com is a folder Microsoft Playwright. Okay. So which means and what is the version? So 1.47.0, right? So we can bring this one. Okay, just copy and only the dependency section. Yes. So after copy paste, right? So it will be like kind of there is a one icon will be highlighted here. Yum. Okay. Are you able to see here? There is a icon called like this one. Maven refresh. So what it does, so and once you add a binary, right? So we are adding this binary means there is a jar file. Okay. So what is a jar file in the sense? Suppose Microsoft people have created a collection of classes. Okay. So they have created a collection of classes and collection of methods, and they bind with a one jar file to reuse for reuse of them. Okay, so they created a one jar file. So they have written a and like a number of say a number of classes, a number of methods. So those classes and methods and interface we are going to like outside world to be used. So how to use? They will created a jar file and that will be marked as a dependency. Okay, this is a dependency. So what it does is, so whenever you add this dependency to your project, so the Maven, this tool that our project called as the Maven, right? It is a build management tool, so which download from the internet. So this will be Microsoft site, and this is a location they kept it. So our Maven will download to your project. So and it will be placed here additional libraries. So this is a place it will come. Okay. Yeah. So let yeah, this is the one load Maven changes. So why I came to here, right? So because of this adding a dependency. And also you can observe a few areas. Okay. So I'm marking the area. So this is the where in the tool level. So when I press this one, okay, when I load this one, so you will see that the downloads is progress. So download will be progress here. So let me do that. Okay. So cancel this. Yes. Yeah, you see, resolving the dependency of test playwright, it is downloading. So which means your integration is yeah, still it is downloading. Yeah. So waiting for scanning and indexing. So all kind of related binaries which are created by this playwright guys or playwright Microsoft people. So that kind of whole project will be downloaded to our external libraries to this project. So that is the thing. So which means the integration is happening. So let's write one program and we come to know. So whether it is properly integrated or not. Okay. So let's create a one Java class. Okay. How to create a Java class? So how first of all we learn how to create a package. Okay. This is a by default package. So I don't want to use this one. I want to create a one more package in the um, Java. Okay. And also I want to just explore, will explain this kind of project. So this is a project name. Okay. And there is a IDE default one. Default dot IDE is a this IntelliJ will give. And this is our root directory is a SRC. Okay. Is SRC. Under we have kind of two kind of things. One is a test package, and there is a main package. Okay. So under the main package, we have a Java. Okay, Java package. So in that Java package, we can write a like a normal class package modularization. So you can write your package that depends upon your module login module. Okay, so that's kind of thing. And there is the resources. We'll talk later. So right now we are in the Java. So we are creating a one more package. Okay. So and we will write a one class for that. So how to create a project? Right click on this Java folder, and we have a package. Okay. So there is a kind of difference package and folder. So this is a package, and this is a symbol of the package. Okay. So now you can create a package. I'm creating a com.example package name, and it is created here. So on top of right click, and you can see there is a Java class. Okay. So let's create a Java class integration or a demo playwright. Okay, I gave the class name a demo playwright and click on class. Okay, so yeah, so this is a class is created. Okay, and I told you in the first session main method. So we should start with the main method. So click on the main method. Okay, so what is the use of main method? Main method will start our program. Okay, so here I will start in writing the code of playwright. Okay, so what we have done till now? So we have integrated a dependency of a playwright. So then only we can start writing our program. Otherwise, if you write the program also, you will get some compiler error. So without adding a dependency into the pom.xml file, if you try to write a program, so you will get a kind of error. Okay, so now it is done, right? So we can, yeah, we can write the program here. So this is a playwright. Okay, so whenever I type right, so you will see that com.microsoft.playwright. So we are using those kind of classes what they have written. Okay, so just we are integrating their code and we are able to write our whatever we want to do that. Okay, yeah, playwright and playwright equal to new playwright.
Nagesh, is that possible to increase the font of it?
Yeah,
Editor
let
font?
me check. Yeah, let me check. Experience somewhere. I think anybody have idea? No, is in that properties editor font font size. I think it is 16. Is this okay?
Great, thanks,
Or
thanks, thanks.
yeah, right. So playwright. Okay. So let me write the code and I'll explain. So playwright a small playwright and equal to playwright dot create. So see this statement we have so this is a kind of binary we will choose from that playwright people have they already written this one code. So what does this code does is so it will create a playwright server or playwright instance. Okay, just we are creating a playwright instance and after creating a playwright server or instance, so we are telling that I want to open the browser. Okay, to open the browser we need to create a browser instance, right? What type of browser you want. So by using the playwright so we are opening a Chromium browser. Okay, so Chromium browser and to launch. Okay, so this is the one. So it will launch the Chromium browser. Just import this statement, and you can see that. So whenever you were able to open and import this statement, which means your integration is successful. Otherwise, we have not set or not downloaded this kind of jar file or dependency. Okay, and next page. So which page you want to open? New. Page, small page equal to new page. The new page, it is not new page. Browser dot new page. Browser dot new page. See, and also whenever we are writing a code, we are getting some kind of suggestion. Okay, so you can use the suggestion and p dot navigate. P dot navigate. So navigate. So navigate will require a site name. Okay, so which site you want to open. Okay, so let me explain this one. So first of all, we are creating a playwright instance in terms of Java. So it is a kind of instance. In the layman way, we are creating a kind of server back. Okay, playwright server. Okay, but it is an instance, so it is kind of object. We have an object. Okay, and so after that, by using this reference, which reference? The playwright, small playwright reference, we are telling to open like browser. Which browser? Chrome browser launch. Launch is a method. Okay, so we are telling the Chromium, and we can launch this one. And after that, the browser is open. So which means the browser is open. So in that, one of the page, browser can have multiple tabs. Okay, so one of the page. So we are creating a one page. Okay, that is called new page. In that new page, we are navigating the particular which URL you want to navigate. You can provide the URL ID here. So that is what about this one. Okay, so let me open any one of the site. Let me go to our sessions, and I told you right there is a kind of